Hey! Yeah. We back. Some more Burna Boy.
Jesus is
City
the way,
Boys.
brother.
City Boys.
Yes, Burna Boy. City
see.
Boys.
Hey yo, I'm not even gonna lie. I used to call myself an ugly you, but I'm not even an ugly you.
This guy's
I'm a
forever
sexy
smoking.
you, understand?
We need to start arresting people who are smoking in music videos.
Nah, keep smoking. Keep smoking.
Jesus Christ, so many cars.
Girl all over the globe wanna up me, you understand?
Girls in my crib, 0 Snapchat, 0 Instagram posting. Fuck up the vibe, my dick start falling like London Bridge. I don't care if I saw you in a magazine or if you're on TV. That one don't mean nothing to me. Don't need a shower, oh baby, I need a free. Lick it like ice cream, as if you mean to be disgusting. It's not enough.
Hey man, I know we are in this bad bitch savage era that we are in right now. But to all the ladies who are well behaved, your time is coming.
To do what?
Don't worry. No, they're gonna win the battle at life. So the bad bitch savage, let them have their time.
Chop my banana, one side I lie, there's no stopping it. Go shopping it, fuck that.
Oh,
I have never seen a male rapper's music video with with strippers. I haven't seen that in a while. I think the last time I saw it, it's Tiger's videos, but even Tiger is sort of kind of weird. But yeah, so far cool song, I guess.
Mama Sheba, come back on. Take me the start to the paragon. Start to the halagon. Cause you know some my people they calagon. Ogulo my power. As they hating on us, make we manyamo. No, I be my father's son. Cause you know say I come from Potako. That's why I'm a jago. Start to the dance, I'm like I do. I go show you say bounce and the lago. Cause I be city boy. And as I day for the street, they give me joy. Lamborghini boy. Put them on some
Is that Quavo? It's Quavo. It's Quavo.
nah.
That man is
for
Quavo.
the
You would
street,
have a
they
bigger
give me
cameo.
joy. Lamborghini.
That's Quavo. That's
Oh,
Quavo.
it is him. Man, how the mighty have fallen. Shit. Okay.
So he needs to rap shoulder with Burna Boy.
Me boy. Put them on some Jesus and I'm not religious. Oh, they know.
So even this thing, I didn't respect Quavo to put in to give him a
What's that I
single
thought?
shot.
Like, he'd have like a bigger cameo.
Like, you can't even give him a single shot.
Hey yo, I'm not even gonna lie. I used to call myself an ugly you, but I'm not even an ugly you. I'm a sexy you, you understand? Girl all over the globe wanna up me, you understand?
Good song.
There's a nice bounce to it.
Boom, boom, boom. I like, and the shots with the Timberlands, cool shot also. Shout out.
Simple video, but it's nice and clean.
Yeah.
And clean. Yeah, anyway, please like, subscribe, and suggest any other videos you want us to react to. We'll do so and give you a shout out.
In no time, we'll be back tomorrow.
But in any case, please go watch all the other videos that we have.
Everyone of them.
Show them love too, like,
show them,
and share. Aye, man. We are working here, Chief. What's going on now?
It was a joke.
Here is a place to conduct business. It's not for those things. Ish. Yeah. In any case, watch all the videos. Turn on the post notification. Get notified. All of the good stuff. Interact with the links in the bio. Everything. But G, keep watching. We got more videos coming.